Good morning, children. Last class, I have given some question to you. Now today I will write the answer of that all question. So the question by that, what are the basic types of computers? The question is already with you in the previous class. Now I am going to solve the questions, means writing the answer. So what are the basic types of computers? So are you looking, and you will all answer you will write in your copies or notebooks. Mini computer, microcomputer, mainframe and supercomputer. This is the basic types of computers. Write the name of any 5 input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner and light pen. These are the 5 input devices. Question number 3. Write the name of any 5 output devices. So you will write the output devices, means where we can get the output, means monitor. Suppose I am also doing work over here, you can look that output means what we are getting. So write the name of any 5 output devices: monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speaker. Means all these 5 items that we are getting the output from the computer. Now what are the storage devices? So storage devices already explained. So again I will say you that where we can store for future. Okay, so that are the storage devices, mean permanent storage devices, such as hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive and Blu-ray disc. These are the discs you can store your file, datas, informations for future work. Now number 5, what do you understand by components of a computer? Means what are the components of a computer? So our computer system is made up of 4 main types of components. 4 main types of components. These are input devices, output devices, secondary storage devices and processor and primary storage devices. That is why I have given you all the devices separately to write you the name. So these are the components that together we are saying that it is a computer. Okay, a computer system is made up of 4 main types of components: input device, output devices, secondary storage devices and processor and primary storage devices. These are the devices we are called that a computer component. So you will write this all answer to your notebook. It is nicely visible. So you need to write all the answers. I will check these all answers. Now next day you also try that HW homework. Write the difference between secondary and primary storage devices. Write the difference between secondary and primary storage device. So that question already I said you, primary devices and storage. Now you have to write the what are the difference between of primary and secondary storage device. What is ALU? Okay, who can give input in computer? In computer, okay, who can give input in computer? And write 2 steps after inputting. After input, okay, write 2 steps after input. So you will try. Already the answer is there, what I have explained. Just you need to gather these all the information and you can easily write. Okay, if you are listening carefully all the classes, then easily you can do. These are not new question, little bit change the question and you can also find it out all the answer before classes, and I will write all the answer in next class also. Okay, good luck.